Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. My Ipsy box or bag finally came. It took forever. I mean, I guess I'm filming this on the 22nd. It's going to go up on 24th. Is that what? Gosh, I gotta check my calendar. Yeah, so I'm filming this on the 22nd. It's going to go up on the 24th, and I got this on like the 20th. I finally got it, which just seems really late. I don't know. I have done my reviews already because they give you such a short window, and like last month it was like 2 days where you could actually do your reviews for points. I have that. I also have a Mega Drop shop haul. I ordered a couple things, but that is somewhere in the ether. I don't know where it is. I do have that. I'm going to put that in probably my next month's haul, or I don't know if I'll have a beauty haul or not, but anyway, I have that coming as well. So I have my Ipsy, as I've kind of been rambling about, as well as my Macy's. If you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you got in your Macy's or your Ipsy. Which do you think was better? We're gonna see. I have Macy's all wrapped up. I have an add-on for, that sounded weird, for Ipsy, as well as one thing that was not in my Ipsy. So we're going to start with what was not in my Ipsy bag. And this was outside. This is the Ofra Candy Apple Blush. And hopefully this is a nice color. I did declutter a couple Ofra blushes. That looks so pretty. In a couple of major declutters that I was doing. I can't wait to try this. This looks really pretty, actually. Let's give it a swatch. Oh, I think that will be nice. It's kind of similar, I feel, to the blush I'm wearing today. I'm wearing the Physicians Formula Strawberry. It's a strawberry blush. I can't remember the exact name. So that was the first thing. And then I think the card is in here. This bag is so cute this month with the little hearts. The zipper that's color coordinated, like contrast. I love the little Ipsy sucker. This is the type of bag that I just absolutely love. Okay, I got my card. Okay, it does. That blush retails for $29. I would not pay $29, but I think I've gotten some of them, like when they've had them at Ulta for 50% off. That's when I've gotten them before. This is a Chica Beauty liquid highlighter. I don't do a lot of liquid highlighter, so I'm going to put this in my pass along pile. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is $20. And what size is this? This is a 6 ml. So this is like 1 ml smaller than full size. I'm sure it's pretty. It does look kind of nice, but it's not really, like I said, I don't do liquid highlighters very much, and I'd rather somebody who will get used out of it use it. Then we have, I don't know why I'm looking at the card because I'm pulling things out. Manna Kadar Exfoliating Cream Body Scrub in Pomegranate. That sounds like a nice scent. This retails a full size for $18, 400 ml. Does it say this is a 35 ml? So not quite a tenth of the size. Oh, and it's sealed. I can't really smell anything. I'm going to leave it sealed. This I probably will throw in as a sample next month, or maybe in April, depending. Then we have, this was my choice. This is Dew of the Gods. This is the Glaze Pomegranate and Retinol Facial Oil. The full size of this is $30. And it's just a little guy. It's a plastic container, so easily recyclable at least. And there's not a lot in there. Doesn't really have a scent either. But I would say it's maybe half full with the dropper in there. And this is how... Let's see if this is a little bit bigger. This is a 10 ml, so it's a third of the size. I have one more thing, but I want to show you the inside of the bag. Isn't that darling with the little hearts? Oh, so cute. And then the last thing in here is from Misho Beauty. This is a Sheer Glow Primer. I'm going to leave this sealed because I have working on so many primers right now. I have like 4 that I'm rotating through and working on. Actually, no, technically 5. One is just not in my cabinet right at the moment. This retails for $21. It says it's a travel size, so I guess this is $21 worth. I would never pay $21 for a primer. I don't even want to buy the primer that I really loved from NYX for like $16. So this size for 21, too much. Not too bad of a month, actually. I like a primer I will use. The only thing I'm not going to use is this liquid highlighter, but the scrub, it looks a little creamy for my taste, but we'll give it a try. I have my choice, which was the retinol oil. I have been using face oils quite a bit. I use them on my neck and chest at night after like put my nighttime serum on, and then I do a face oil and then the moisturizer and then the blush. I think the blush is really nice. So I think this was a good value this month. Let's do my add-on. I picked up from 5 Senses. This is Catch Feelings, which is lychee, ruby grapefruit, damask rose, vetiver roots, and suede. The suede made me a little nervous because leather usually does not agree with me. This is okay. I think the vetiver is pretty prominent in here, so it kind of is pulling everything down and making it more neutral and grassy. It's not a really sharp rose or sharp lychee or grapefruit. It's pretty mellow. I feel like this is a very mellow fragrance and not refreshing like a lot of other that you would think with grapefruit and lychee. So there's that one. Now let's go on to Macy's. I have my $5 off coupon, although I don't know why I'm even covering this up because all of my coupons that I tried to use were not working, which means I need to call because, and I don't want to call. I hate calling and trying to talk to people, which is why I never called on the broken item that I had in my December box. I should have, but it just, I have too many things going on and I don't feel like talking to people. All right, so I had this that came separately, so I'm assuming I have a plumping mask in there. Let's see. Yes, we'll pull that one out first. This is the Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Plumping Mask. It's a in-shower treatment, 2 to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna pass this along to a friend because I don't have the patience to wait that long. Then we have a Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. I don't love the lip plump ones. This is in Mixed Berries. Let's look at what the shade is. It's not that different than any other shade. So I think I will also pass this one along. I like just the original Juicy Lips. So I think that's a nice one. I didn't love it. I have one. It's in it. I don't love the shade. That's a big part of it. But I don't really need it to be plumping. Then we have the Rouge Pure Couture from Yves Saint Laurent. We'll see. Oh, it looks like a lipstick. I like the packaging. It has like the raised YSL on it. Ooh, I do not like that color whatsoever. That is a brownie brown. So I will have a friend who will be, this is New Muse. Somebody's going to be lucky to get that one. Then we have from Lancome, this is the Seals Booster XL. It's a mascara primer. I don't really do mascara primer, so I'm going to pass this one along as well. Wow, this is batting 1,000 this month, huh? All right, then we have this white box. Okay, this is cute. It's a little cloth. It's soft. It's very cheap feeling. It feels like plastic. It does not feel like metal. And then it looks like it is a mirror that I have to pull the plastic off, which I'm going to leave it like that, but that's very cute. I do like that. That's cute and something that I would love to display. And then our last thing in here is from Laura Geller. This is the High Def Duo Blush Palette in Blooming Rose. Hopefully this one is not broken also. Jeez, that was hard to open. Okay, it is 2 powder blushes. I don't know why. Looking at the back, I thought those were creams. That is what they look like. All right, so there they are on my fingers, and then we'll swatch them. okay, they have more payoff than I thought they would. Those look very pretty. I don't know how much the peachy one I will love, but this pink looks like a beautiful rosy, kind of my type of a shade for sure. All right, so Macy's was kind of a disappointment this month. I do like the little mirror compact that they included. I think that's cute. Probably the biggest, like closest to full-size item is the Laura Geller palette. So I'm glad to have that. I like the colors in it. Other things I'm not crazy about. I'm not a hair mask fan where I have to sit around and let it, soak in. I don't use mascara primer, so that's a no. Brown lipstick, no. I know people really love brown lipstick. I do not like it. I don't like how it looks on me. It looks nice on other people, but just with my coloring and no. And maybe I'm feeling like maybe I will keep this one just because I want to keep at least half. So I am going to keep this guy. We'll do a quick swatch, see what it looks like. I think that will be a better color than the other one that I had, because the other one I had was the Cherry Blossom, which was super light. And at least this is so tiny that it should be fairly easy to go through. I would say Ipsy definitely won out this month. I think the bag was much better for my personal preferences. There was one thing that I was like, but the other things I was really pretty happy with. I'm really happy with that blush. A primer is okay. The oil is something I will use fairly soon, as well as the scrub. So I feel like, and the bag was so cute. I think Ipsy won. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you wanted any of these things, if you would have been excited to see those in your Ipsy, or if you got Macy's, if you would have enjoyed this month's. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.